everybody, Steven Jundry here from GonnaGeek.com, from Better Podcasting, and from the Gonna Geek Gear YouTube channel, here with another unboxing. This time we're going to be unboxing the PodMic. You'll actually notice that I've gone and pre-sliced that because I couldn't find my good knife, and I had to use scissors, and I didn't want to do that on camera because it was really awkward. But you can see the side says Rode, this side has some information, and there's not much on the bottom. So let's go ahead and get into this right now. Starting off here, it looks like that foam piece is going to go and bounce up. You could also see there was a mark from this card being here and from being here, which means this was obviously drifting around during shipping for who knows how long. Probably just sliding back and forth, sitting there for a while, getting banged around during one thing, and you know, who knows. So hopefully that means that it's well packed inside. Have the foam top, and then right into the Rode PodMic. So it's actually, as I hold this, I wish I had weight-o-vision because it's actually a lot heavier than I thought it would be. Pretty good weight to it. I don't know if that's the base or the microphone itself. Yeah, I think it's probably the base. That's tough to say. I think it's the base, but it still has some weight. On the back, you can see RIP or PodMic. It doesn't even say Rode, but it does say made in Australia. And then, as I swing that all around, it looks like this probably tightens. Let's give that a try here. Yep, that tightens up there. Now it's not swinging. Below, you have the wonderful moisture pack. And below, there is nothing. That's right. That's all that's in this microphone here. There's not excessive papers or stickers or anything like that. Thankfully, it looks like Rode slimmed down on the packaging compared to some other companies. But there you go. That is the Rode PodMic. And we'll have a look like this. And so you can get a very good look. I'll turn it very, very slowly, and you can really check it out. If you do want to go ahead and check out other geeky content, please check out GonnaGeek.com. You can always keep in touch with what I am doing over at StevenJohnDrew.com. As well, if you would like to subscribe to this channel, that would be very much appreciated. Thanks for watching another unboxing.